Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a fault code that can be a real head-scratcher for Tesla owners and technicians alike. P0A0A, which stands for High Voltage System Interlock Circuit. If you've ever seen this code pop up, you know it can be a little intimidating. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means, where to look, and how to fix it. So, what is the P0A0A code? In simple terms, it means the high voltage safety interlock loop is open. Think of this loop as a critical safety chain. It runs through all the major high components in your Tesla. Its one and only job is to confirm that every single high voltage connector, plug, and service access point is securely locked in place. If even one link in this chain is broken or not fully connected, the system detects an open circuit, throws the P0A0A code, and, most importantly, prevents the high-voltage battery from energizing the system. This is a brilliant safety feature designed to protect anyone working on or near the vehicle from the dangers of high-voltage electricity. The system will not allow the main contactors inside the battery pack to close if this loop is incomplete. This means your car won't go into drive, and you'll be stuck. The alert on your screen might say something like high-voltage system fault or unable to drive. It's the car's way of saying, hey, something isn't properly connected, and it's not safe to proceed. Now, for the big question, where do you find the source of this problem? The P0A0A code is telling you the break is somewhere in the interlock circuit, but it doesn't pinpoint the exact location. The main culprit is often located at or near the high-voltage battery pack itself. The most common cause, by far, is the service disconnect plug, also known as the pyro fuse disconnect or penthouse disconnect. This is the plug that technicians use to safely de-energize the vehicle for service. If it's not fully seated, has been recently removed and not properly reinstalled, or if the locking tab isn't engaged, you will get this code. So, the first step in your diagnosis is always to check that service disconnect. Make sure it's pushed in all the way until you hear and feel a solid click. Wiggle it gently to ensure it's secure. If it feels loose at all, that's almost certainly your problem. If the service disconnect is secure, your next step is to inspect all the other high-voltage connectors. These are typically bright orange to make them easily identifiable. You'll find them connecting to the drive unit, the onboard charger, the cabin heater, the AC compressor, and the battery itself. Just like the service disconnect, each of these connectors has a low-voltage interlock circuit built into it. When the connector is properly latched, two small pins inside it complete the safety loop. If the connector is even slightly askew, or if the locking mechanism isn't fully engaged, those pins won't make contact. The loop will be open, and you'll get the P0A0A code. So, how do we fix it? The good news is that the fix is often straightforward and doesn't require expensive parts. First, and this is extremely important, make sure you are following all proper safety procedures for working on a high-voltage system. If you are not a trained technician, it's best to leave this to a professional. Assuming you're qualified, the first step is to reset the service disconnect. Disconnect it, inspect the pins for any dirt, corrosion, or damage, and then plug it back in firmly. Make sure that locking tab is fully engaged. If that doesn't clear the code, you'll need to move on to the other HV connectors. Visually inspect each one. Look for any signs of damage, debris, or a connector that doesn't look quite right. Sometimes a connector can look seated but isn't. You'll need to disconnect each one. Inspect the interlock pins. Inside they are very small and can get bent or dirty end. Then reconnect it, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Sometimes the pins themselves can get a bit of corrosion or film on them, preventing a good connection. A little bit of contact cleaner on a swab can work wonders here, but be Henley. After you've checked and reseated all the connectors, try to clear the codes and start the vehicle. In the vast majority of cases, a loose connector was the issue, and the P0A0A code will be gone. The contactors will close, the ready-to-drive indicator will appear, and you'll be back on the road. To recap, P0A0A means the high-voltage safety loop is open. Start your diagnosis at the service disconnect. Plug it, the most common cause. If that's secure, move on to all the other orange high-voltage connectors. The fix is usually as simple as finding the loose one and plugging it back in correctly. Remember, Safety is paramount. I hope this guide helps you demystify the P0A0A code and gives you the confidence to tackle it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth Tesla diagnostic and repair content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.